Jim Bozeman designed, fully updated, immaculately maintained, custom coastal home is now available. This rock-solid house is masterfully built with 2x6 construction and all plywood sheeting. This unique floor plan is one of a kind. The downstairs has 2 large bedrooms, a spacious hall bath, under-stair storage, a laundry room with a sink and granite folding table, and a 22x24 side entry garage. 6 full-view windows flank the staircase leading upstairs, flooding the interior with natural light. Upstairs is a wow. It is designed as a large open living area incorporating the kitchen, family, dining, and living rooms into one contiguous space, divided by 2 accent walls. There is a gas fireplace, contemporary, 3-blade Minky air ceiling fans, crown molding, and plantation shutters. The kitchen was completely redesigned in 2015, including custom cabinets from West Florida Cabinets, with under-cabinet lighting, Bosch appliances, a large island with a deep stainless steel sink, leathered, fantasy brown granite and high-end pendant lights. The master suite is also on the upper level, along with a half bath, improving the functionality of a 2-story home. The enormous master bathroom is to die for, with an L-shaped double vanity with more drawers and cabinet space than most kitchens. The best feature is a newly designed walk-in shower with 3-foot by 6-foot tiles, glass tile flooring, and beautiful frameless glass. Outside doesn't fall short with a full-length covered deck with a nice lake view and custom landscaping with block edging, paver walkway, and multiple mature palm trees throughout the yard. Other upgrades include new impact windows and doors on the front and north side of the house, post-Hurricane Sally, Bahama shutters on the south side windows, a 24-gauge, 16-inch standing seam metal roof with peel and stick underlayment and hardy board siding, and soffits.